Hello everyone, this is my channel Tally Learning World. In today's video, we'll discuss about how do we migrate of Tally 7.2 data to Tally Prime. So before I proceed with this solution, I request you have to connect with your internet because you should have to download the Tally migration tool. To download this migration tool, you need to visit our website, that is tallysolutions.com. Once we visit to this website, we have to click on download. So as it will take us to the download page. In this page, we have to scroll down. There will be an option called support files. Once we click on the support files, the page will be displayed. You can see the download support files. Here is the option called migration tool. So to download this migration tool, we need to click on this migration tool. As you can see, the migration tool exe it's been getting downloaded in my system. So I'll just see this. As you can see, the file has been downloaded successfully in my system. I'll just try to copy this file and I'll close this. As you can see, I have a data of Tally 7.2 which is a 4 digits folder format. When I click on this, you can see the folder formats are with .500. To convert this data to Tally Prime, you should have already installed Tally ERP9 and ensure that Tally ERP9 is running in a licensed version. If it's running in education mode, you cannot convert your data. Now you can see the Tally it's running in a licensed version. So I'll close the Tally ERP9. I'll just right click on Tally icon, Tally ERP9 icon, properties, open file location. I'll try to paste the data migration tool which I have downloaded in the Tally ERP9 installation folder. So first what I need to do, I have to copy the folder path of Tally 7.2 data by pressing Alt D and Ctrl C. Once I have copied this path, I'll just minimize this path. I have not closed the Tally and ensure that I have not opened the Tally ERP9. So I'm just double clicking on Tally 7.2 data so that you can see here there are two screens are appearing. One is of Tally 7.2 screen and one is of Tally ERP9. So under this we have Tally 7.2, the option called migrate data. So once I click on this migrate data, the path it's been asking, let me give this path by pressing Ctrl Alt V. So I have pasted the path. I'll press enter. As you can see, the company it's been listing. So I'll just press enter. So you can see the company it's initializing for data for migration. You can see the total details of your company and the ledgers which we have created. According to this transactions also it's been showing as 0 over here. When it comes to Tally 7.2, the transaction count is showing somewhere here as 4 and the ledgers are different count. So let me click on migrate to S. So you can see the migration information of importing it's getting successfully in Tally ERP9 screen. So once the migration is got successfully completed, you will get a prompt message that migration completed successfully, check the statistics. As you can see, my statistic payment voucher count was 4 and it has been successfully converted to Tally ERP9. To just press escape, you can see the message, congratulations, the company has been migrated successfully. If you want to press enter, you can just press enter and you can close the Tally 7.2 migration tool as well as ERP9. As you can see, now my data has been successfully migrated to Tally ERP9 in 5 digits folder has been created. and the folders has been created with the .900 files. So the same data, if I wanted to run in Tally Prime, I have to open Tally Prime by double clicking on the application. Once the Tally Prime application is got open, you can just click on specify the path. By pressing Ctrl V, you can paste the path. As you can see, the company, it's asking migration required. Once we click on migration required, it's asking us to backup. We'll just click on configure and we'll keep the destination path where we wanted to backup. I'll just paste this path. I'll press Ctrl A, again Ctrl A. Once again I'll click on migrate. As you can see, the company got migrated successfully and it's showing the message, do you wanted to change the currency symbol? If I make S, the currency has been changed successfully. As you can see the message that currency conversion got successfully from Indian rupees to Rupakara. I'll just press enter to continue. You can see there is some statutory import it's been happening. Once this statutory import is done, you can see your data. You can just go to your daybook, your transactions will get displayed. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, Tally Learning World, and thank you.